Have you ever wondered why modern vehicles use tube tires and not rubber tires? Today, we're going to crack open this question and take a deep dive into the intriguing world of tires. When you glance at a car, one of the first things you notice are the tires. They seem simple enough, but did you know there are different types? Specifically, we'll be looking at two main types: solid rubber tires and tube tires. Solid rubber tires, as the name suggests, are made entirely of rubber and were commonly used in the past. On the other hand, tube tires, which are more prevalent in today's vehicles, are filled with air and offer a different set of characteristics. Don't worry, we're not going to get too technical just yet. This is merely a brief introduction to set the stage for the fascinating discussion that lies ahead. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey to understand why we don't see solid rubber tires on modern vehicles anymore. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intriguing world of tires. To understand the current preference, we must first take a trip down memory lane to the era of solid rubber tires. Born out of necessity, these tires were a marvel of their time. Constructed with layers of rubber around a sturdy metal frame, they were known for their longevity and maintenance-free nature. They were a common sight on heavy-duty vehicles and wheelchairs, where puncture resistance was paramount. However, every coin has two sides. While solid rubber tires were champions of durability, they had their drawbacks. The most significant was their lack of shock absorption. Imagine driving on a bumpy road feeling every pebble and crack. That was the reality with solid rubber tires. The ride was far from smooth, and as the world advanced, so did the desire for comfort. The demand for a smoother ride led to the evolution of tire technology. The solid, unyielding rubber was great for durability, but it lacked the cushioning effect that air or foam-filled tires could provide. This lack of comfort became a growing concern, especially as vehicles started to increase in speed and travel across more varied terrains. Solid rubber tires, though durable, didn't provide the ride comfort that was becoming increasingly important. Enter the tube tire, a game-changer in the world of transportation. Born from the need for a smoother, more comfortable ride, the tube tire, or pneumatic tire as it's also known, revolutionized our approach to travel. Unlike their solid rubber counterparts, tube tires are filled with air, a seemingly simple change that had a profound impact. This air-filled nature allowed for increased shock absorption, transforming the jarring, bumpy rides of yesteryears into smoother, more enjoyable journeys. But these advancements didn't come without their drawbacks. With the advent of the tube tire, maintenance became a more pressing concern. The risk of punctures loomed large, requiring regular checks and possible repairs. But the game of pros and cons weighed heavily in favor of the tube tire. The significant leap in comfort and smoother ride quality it offered outweighed the increased maintenance requirements. Despite the need for more maintenance, tube tires quickly became the standard due to their superior comfort. This marked a new era in the world of transportation, one where comfort and ride quality took center stage, steering us towards the modern vehicles we know and love today. So why do modern vehicles favor tube tires over solid rubber tires, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in the unique blend of comfort, performance, and speed that tube tires offer. These pneumatic marvels have been designed to adapt to the ever-changing demands of modern transportation, where a smooth ride is as important as the speed of the vehicle. While solid rubber tires were the go-to option in the past, they couldn't keep up with the increasing need for more comfortable and efficient rides. On the other hand, tube tires with their air-filled design provide superior shock absorption, resulting in a smoother ride. This makes a world of difference, especially when traversing uneven terrains. Moreover, the performance of a vehicle significantly improves with tube tires. They offer better traction and handling, making the vehicle more responsive and easier to control. This is particularly crucial for high-speed vehicles where precision and control are paramount. But what about the risk of punctures and maintenance, you may wonder? Well, advancements in technology have addressed this concern to a large extent. Today's tube tires come with puncture-resistant features and require less maintenance, making them a more practical choice for modern vehicles. In the end, it's all about balancing comfort and performance, and tube tires have been able to strike that balance perfectly.